Hello students, I am Aman Aluna, MSc Physics. Welcome to our class. I started these classes in this lockdown because I don't want you have to face any problem in your study. So study at home and stay safe from COVID-19. Let's start. The first chapter of class 11th is Physical World. The chapter name suggests that the study of physical things. In this chapter, we will talk about what is science and scientific method. Second is branches of science. Third is what is physics. And fourth is branches of physics. First of all, we talk about science. The word science came from Latin word scientia, which means to know. Definition of science. Science is systematic study. Systematic study means एक सिस्टम में एक फिक्स्ड प्लान और मेथड में की गई स्टडी. साइंस इज सिस्टमैटिक स्टडी टू अंडरस्टैंड द नेचुरल और मैन-मेड फिनोमिना इन मच डिटेल एंड डेप्थ, एंड द नॉलेज सो ऑब्टेन इज यूज्ड टू प्रेडिक्ट, मॉडिफाई एंड कंट्रोल द फिनोमिना. नेचुरल और मैन-मेड फिनोमिना को डीपली और डिटेल में समझना ही साइंस है, और साइंस में जो हम नॉलेज ऑब्टेन करते हैं उसको हम फिनोमिना को प्रेडिक्ट, मॉडिफाई एंड कंट्रोल करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. अनदर डेफिनेशन ऑफ साइंस. साइंस इज एक्सप्लोरिंग, एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग एंड प्रेडिक्टिंग व्हाट वी सी अराउंड अस. जो हम देख सकते हैं उस पर प्रेडिक्शन, एक्सप्लोरेशन और उस पर किए जाने वाला एक्सपेरिमेंट ही साइंस है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, स्टडी ऑफ हाउ रेनबो इज फॉर्म्ड, how day and night happens, how cycle of season take place, study of element and compound, etc. all comes in science. Next is scientific method. The method or procedure used to know an event completely is known as scientific method. जो method और procedure किसी event को पूरी तरह जानने के लिए यूज किया जाता है उसे साइंटिफिक मेथड कहते हैं. हम ये भी कह सकते हैं साइंटिस्ट एक लॉ को बनाने में जो मेथड यूज करते हैं उसे साइंटिफिक मेथड कहते हैं. द वेरियस स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व्ड इन साइंटिफिक मेथड. फर्स्ट इज सिस्टमैटिक ऑब्जर्वेशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एन इवेंट इज ऑब्जर्व्ड केयरफुली. सेकंड इज थ्योरेटिकल प्रेडिक्शन. Then theoretical prediction is derived out of it. मतलब उस पर prediction करके थ्योरी लिखी जाती है. Third is qualitative and quantitative reasoning. Then qualitative and quantitative reasoning is checked out. Qualitative means quality and quantitative means quantity. Fourth is mathematical modeling. After some reasoning, mathematical model is developed. Experiment for verification. Then experiment is performed to verify the prediction. Sixth and last is model is established as a law. If the results of experiment are in agreement with the prediction, then the developed model is established as law. Branches of science. There are three branches of science. First is physics, second is chemistry, and third is biology. These branches are further divided into various branches. Some of them are: physics is further divided into mechanics, electromagnetism, thermodynamics, sound, relativity. Chemistry is further divided into organic, inorganic, analytical, physical, biochemistry. And biology is divided into botany, zoology, anatomy, ecology, pedology. Next is what is physics. The word physics came from Greek word physis, which means nature. First, physis word came to be known, which means nature. It was changed into physica, which means knowledge of nature, and then changed into physics,
which means study of nature. Physics is the branch of science which deals with the nature and natural phenomena in our universe. It also deals with the matter and energy and their motion and relationship between them. नेचर और नेचुरल फिनोमिना की स्टडी को फिजिक्स कहते हैं। ये मैटर और एनर्जी, उनका मोशन और उनका आपस में क्या रिलेशन है उससे संबंधित है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, स्टडी ऑफ हाउ डे एंड नाइट फॉर्म, हाउ टाइड कम, हाउ प्लैनेट्स मूव, स्टडी ऑफ ड्यूल नेचर ऑफ लाइट and matter all comes in physics. Branches of physics. There are many branches of physics, but some of branches are: first is mechanics. Mechanics is the branch of physics that deals with the motion of material object under the influence of forces. Material objects are that objects which are made up of metals. मैकेनिक फोर्सेस के प्रभाव से मटेरियल ऑब्जेक्ट के मोशन से संबंधित है। Mechanics fall under two branches. First is classical mechanics. Classical mechanics deal with the motion of physical object and the forces that cause the motions. Newton's law comes in classical mechanics. Second is quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics deals with the behavior of smallest or submicroscopic particle like electron, proton, neutron, etc. You will study in higher classes quantum mechanics. Second is electromagnetism. The branch of physics deals with the study of electricity, magnetism, and electromagnetic radiation is called by electromagnetism. This branch of physics you will study in next class. Third is thermodynamics. The study of heat, temperature, and the behavior of system of large number of particles is dealt in this branch of physics. This branch of physics you will study in this class. Fourth is sound or acoustics. The study of vibration and waves is dealt in this branch of physics. It also deals with how sound is produced, transmitted, received, or controlled. This branch of physics you will study in this class. Fifth and last is light or optics. This branch of physics deals with the study of nature of light and its propagation. It also deals with the study of various phenomena exhibited by light such as reflection, refraction, interference, diffraction, and polarization. This branch of physics you will study in next class.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe this channel.